Hey guys, welcome to Tax Adhyayan. Today, let's talk about TAN and how to apply for it. First of all, what is TAN? TAN is a tax deduction and collection account number. It is a 10-digit alphanumeric number which should be obtained by all persons who are responsible for deducting or collecting tax. As per Section 203A of the Income Tax Act 1961, it is mandatory to quote TAN on all TDS returns. If you want to deduct TDS or TCS to any person, you should have a valid TAN number. If not, you have to apply an online application in Form 49B in NSDL website, that is New Application for Getting a TAN. What if you already have a TAN and needs to modify some details of it? You can do so by filling online form for change or correction in the same website. Now we will see how to apply for TAN. You can fill an online application in www.tin-nsdl.com, or you can also submit physical TAN application to any TIN facilitation center of NSDL. You should be very careful while filing the application. Please read the guidelines and instructions provided in the application. If you choose the offline process, that is filing physical copy of application, you can download the same in NSDL website, fill it and submit to the respective center. The application fee is 65 rupees for the processing and issuing of TAN for both new application as well as correction application. Now, you may get a question in your mind that whether TAN and PAN are one and the same. Answer would be no. PAN should be never quoted in a field where TAN is required to be quoted. The purpose of which PAN and TAN are allotted are different. TAN is a unique identification number which is allotted to person who are deducting or collecting tax at source on behalf of the Income Tax Department, whereas PAN is a unique number allotted to assessees like individuals, HUF, companies, etc. who file income tax returns. Now we will see some of the FAQs with respect to TAN. First question would be, who will allot TAN? TAN is allotted by the Income Tax Department on the basis of the application submitted online at NSDL e-Government TIN website. If you have filed physical copy of application, then it will be allotted by a TIN facilitation center managed by NSDL e-Government. NSDL e-Government will intimate the TAN to the applicant at the address provided in the application. Next question would be, can an online application be made without digital signature? Yes, but the acknowledgement should be signed and sent by post to the registered address of NSDL. What are the documents required to be submitted along with the TAN application? No documents are required to be submitted along with the application for allotment of TAN. However, where the application is being made online, the signed acknowledgement which is generated after filling up the form should be forwarded to NSDL e-Government. Detailed guidelines for submission of application are available on NSDL e-Government TIN website, that is www.tin-nsdl.com. Is a separate TAN required to be obtained for the purpose of tax collection at source, that is TCS, and tax deduction at source, that is TDS? No. TAN allotted for tax deduction at source can be used for the purpose of TCS, that is tax collection at source. Next, should government also take TAN if they want to deduct or collect tax at source? Yes. all government deductors are required to quote the TAN on their TDS or TCS or annual information returns. Next, frequently asked question is, in case of multiple DDOs, shall all of them apply for TAN? Yes. In such case, the name of the division, name, location of branch or the designation of the person responsible for deducting or collecting tax wherever is applicable should be clearly given in the application for allotment of TAN. Next, can branches of companies or bank have separate TANs? Yes. The name and location of branch or the designation of the person responsible for deducting or collecting tax wherever is applicable should be clearly given in the application for allotment of TAN. Now we will see what are the prerequisites to apply for TAN using digital signature. First, have a valid digital signature and have installed DSC utility in the system. Let me explain how to download the DSC utility. Download utility in the application page from the website mentioned in this slide and click on Click Here. Double click on NSDL-user-setup-2.0.0 to run the application. To select destination location, click Next. If you would like to select a different folder, click Browse. To place the program's shortcut on Start Menu folder, click Next. If you would like to select a different folder, click Browse. Next, to create desktop shortcut, click Next. If you would like to select a different folder, click Browse. Then, click Install and then click on Finish. It will get installed in your system. Now, we will see how to apply for TAN online using digital signature. Here, we have explained about how an individual can apply for TAN online using his digital signature. Visit the website provided in this slide. There, you click on Services and select TAN and apply online. Read the instructions carefully before start filling the application and select Apply for New TAN for DSC users. Next, select the category of deductors and click Submit button. The application will get open. The application form for filing TAN gets open. Select the assessing officers based on the city. We have to select the first alphabet of the city where you stay. Then select the city based on the options available in this page. And select the option based on the ward and address you belongs to. After selecting the option, click on Submit button. Next, select the category of deductor, individual or HUF. Here, we are showing how to apply for TAN for an individual. Then, enter name, address, email ID, nationality and PAN. After filling the address details, next enter the name as per PAN, capacity and place in signature verification field. Then click on Submit. After submitting, click on OK and enter DSC password. Enter the CAPTCHA code, click on Agree and make the payment. Acknowledgement gets generated after submission. Download the acknowledgement for tracking status of application. To check the status, visit the NSDL website provided in this slide and click on Services, select TAN and click on Know Status of your application. Hope you got to know how to apply for TAN. Thank you for your time and we look forward to hear from you. For more such videos, visit our channel and follow our page on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.